Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change search engine on Nothing Phone 2 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your search engine website, and I'm gonna use yep.com for this example. And now you have to search something in the search engine. And after you search something, you can go to settings now. And now you can go to search engine. And now in recently visited, you should have yep.com. And now when you go back, you can see that my search engine is now set to yep.com. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.